The Water Heater Warehouse in Fullerton, CA, is your trusted partner for top-notch water heater services. Our expert technicians are dedicated to providing swift installations, repairs, and maintenance for all your water heating needs. We offer a wide range of high-quality water heaters to suit your preferences and budget. Count on us for efficient, reliable, and cost-effective solutions to keep your hot water flowing. Contact our water heater service today for consultation. Are you looking for a water heater service near me? You can stop looking. You found the Water Heater Warehouse. How long do water heaters last in CA? Combination hot water heaters, in California, when properly maintained, these hybrid heaters have a lifespan of 12 to 15 years. Which type of water heater is most popular? The most popular kind of water heater on the market is a conventional water heater. These water heaters consist of an insulated, naturally gas or electricity heated tank that generally holds 20 to 80 gallons of water. What is your water heater service area for the Fullerton, California office? Our local water heater service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Fullerton, Westminster, Santa Ana, Sleepy Hollow, Diamond Bar, South San Jose Hills, Whittier, Norwalk, Lakewood, Cypress, Midway City, Garden Grove, Orange, Villa Park, Santa Fe Springs, Stanton, Los Alamitos, Yorba Linda, California. Where is your Fullerton, California water heater service located? We are located at 1114 East Truslow Avenue, Fullerton, CA. Our phone number is 714-244-8562. Visit our website, http://www.thewaterheaterwarehouse.com/